Guys, so in previous I said that second way we will discuss in next video. So we will discuss so we will discuss in the session. So write 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 the program write the program write the program for reverse 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 string in Java. Reverse string in Java. This is a favorite question of interviewer. Okay, so I'm taking the one example in previous video, that is one str equal to Java. Okay, so this one I'm exam taking two. So now we will discuss this one exam. Going this one is a Eclipse, so I'm using a Eclipse. So now see the second way using the string concatenation operator. Okay, so how to reverse it this string. Okay, how to reverse this string. So here I am taking the reverse variable for storing the every characters of string. Okay, every characters of string. So first of all I am calculate the length of first of calculate length first of calculate length of string. Okay, so I'm taking the length uh, length methods. Okay, here I'm calculate the, this is one small string, so here we can see here the length is a 4. Okay, 4. Okay, it is a length is a 4. Suppose here I'm taking the long string, so we cannot calculate. Okay, so that's why I'm using the uh, length method. So length method is just calculate the length of string. Okay, after that we need to iterate it this string. So how to iterate? Here I am using the for loop for iterating of this string, iterating for this string. So for loop int I equal to length minus 1 declare, then I is greater than equal to 0 declare then I minus minus. Okay, this is a decrement operator. Okay guys, this is a decrement operator. This is a decrement operator. Okay, so what why we taking like that? Because we need to iterate here. See here, we need to iterate just like from bottom to top. Okay, bottom to top. This is a Java string. Okay, so I'm storing just like JAVA. So we need to iterate from bottom here, bottom to top. So that's why I'm taking the length decrement. Okay, so index is always start from 0. So here is also that one that one is also implement. So here I am taking the length minus 1 and then checking the condition. Index is a, suppose first time is a length is a 3 4 4 minus 1 it is a become 3. Okay, 3, but I'm writing the that index is came after that index is came that index which one character is a store. Okay, so how to check it? So for checking this thing we are using the character caret. Okay, caret method. Okay, how to use it? Let's see. str dot char str.char8 index I, here passing the index I. Okay, that I, then what will we do? Here I am concatenation just concatenation with reverse variable that I am declare above. Okay, here I am declaring above. So what will happen? First time is JVM comes in the main body, loop is iterating the start. That time is check the length 4 minus 1 is become the 3. Then third position of third is a character is stored is a, that is a. Okay, so here is print a, then here I am taking the cout. Okay, system dot out dot print ln. Okay, print ln, then taking the reverse string. Okay, reverse string, reverse string, reverse string. I'm taking the rev reverse string taking. Okay, so how to this flow of how to executed this program, so I'm explaining this, don't worry. So first time is JVM coming out in the for loop. That time is a length of string is a 4. Okay, 4 minus 1 is a become 3. So third is a position, is the index position is a third, just like so in the diagram. Third position, which one variable is stored? A. So first is a printed a, that's why I'm a, then concatenate. Second time is a coming out 3 minus 1, it's a become index, it's a become length of a string 2. Okay, so second number of index, second number of index care 8 is checking the just print the that position of character. Okay, so second number position is a which one? Store v. Okay guys, which one? Store v. Then it's a concatenate, again go of site, then check it 2 minus 1, it's a become 1. Okay, then again concatenation, then it's a print a, again check a minus 1, a minus 1, it's a become zeroth index, then concatenate zeroth index, and which one? Character is stored at that place j. Okay, so simply it's a j print. So let's see, I mean our output is come a v a j. Okay, so simply here I am the 1 by 1 is a cam, 1 by 1 character is cam by, then concatenate reverse variable, then store in that variable. This variable just I am printing here. Okay, so let's run. Okay, let's run. Most important, select run as, then select run as, then Java application. Okay, then it will give the output. Okay, reverse string, it's a abj, it means is a work is a fine. Okay, so this is a way of string concatenation operator, using concatenation operator. Now let's see the third one. Okay, using string buffer, using string buffer class. How to use it? Simply we have to create the string buffer equal to new object of a string buffer. Okay, object of string buffer. Simply I am creating the object of string buffer. Okay, just I am passing the that one variable, I mean string, those string you want to convert reverse, you want to reverse that is stream, you just pass pass the inside the object of string buffer. Okay, so I'm passing the str here object. Okay, here I'm passing. Why we give the error? Because because I'm taking this line out of main method. Okay, out of main method, that's why. Okay, so I'm take it this one line. Okay, remove it, then take it new curly bracket. Okay, after that just after that we just print the taking the sb dot reverse method. Okay, reverse. I am just using the inbuilt methods of a string buffer, so that string buffer. Okay, so this object stored in that variable. Okay, in that variable, or here I have to create taking the object data type string buffer. Okay, so now, so simply this is a very simple way. So here just print out system dot out dot print ln. Okay, then give the some message reverse string reverse string. Okay, reverse string reverse string reverse string, then simply print it reverse reverse. Okay, reverse variable, then run it. It's a simple way. Okay, just using the string buffer object, we have to create the object of string buffer of a class. Okay, then pass the string in that object. After that, using the reverse method that is contain the string buffer class. Okay, then print it. It's a inbuilt class. Okay guys, so let's see what will come the output. See, so here we will get the again output is a same abj. It means we will get the reverse string output. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and please share and subscribe my YouTube channels. Thank you guys. If you want to more than if you want to more program related to Java as a point of view of interviewer, then subscribe it channels and comment in the. Thank you.